24-volt drivers with built-in wiring compartments from Lights by Lotus. 24-volt drivers with built-in wiring compartments for line and low-voltage connections. Available in 60-watt, 96-watt, 192-watt, and 288-watt. 120-volt to 277-volt input. 5-in-1 forward and reverse phase dimming down to 5%. Triac, ELV, MLV, 0 to 10 volt, 1 to 10 volt, potentiometer, 10 volt PWM. Approved for wet locations. Ambient temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius, to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Built-in power factor correction. Protections: short circuit, overvoltage, overheat, overload. 0.5 second start time. Compliance: UL listed, Class 2, Type HL. Multiple knockouts for easy wiring. 7-year warranty.